In this video, we will learn about promotion code. Want to accelerate growth in your subscription business? Promo codes are a powerful way to attract and keep customers. Promo codes reduce barriers for new signups, encourage renewals, and strengthen customer loyalty. Here's how they can drive results. Increase conversions. Discounts give new customers an extra nudge to say yes and start their journey with you. Enhance retention. Reward loyal customers with exclusive discounts to keep them engaged and coming back. Encourage upgrades. Offer special promo codes to inspire customers to upgrade their plans or try premium features. Leverage the power of promo codes and watch your subscriptions skyrocket. How to create a promotion code with MYFUNDBOX. Once you have logged into your MYFUNDBOX account, navigate to Settings from the menu. Click on Tax and Coupons. Then select Promotion Code from the side menu. Next, click Add Promotion Code in the right corner. Or enter your promotion code. And select the promotion code type as either percentage or fixed amount. You can also select the optional checkbox to limit the number of times the subscription code can be redeemed. Set an expiry date for the promotion code. And specify the maximum number of times this code can be redeemed. Additionally, set a minimum amount for the promotion code to apply to. Finally, click Add Promotion Code to create the promotion code. You have successfully created promotion code in MYFUNDBOX.